Hi friends, welcome to our channel Steps for Success. In this video, we can continually making the capital gain, income from capital gain problem with solutions, right? It is the last lecture of the income from capital gain, right? So in this question, we can solution for this question. This is very important and very easily and very, right? So first we can start the question. What is the given data in this question, right? So right, Mr. Vasuki sold following assets during the previous year 2008 and 9. Compute his taxable capital gain assessment year 2019 and 20. There are four given data: machinery, land, furniture and residential house, right? We can make four solutions. First, machinery purchased in March 2006 for is 50,000 was sold in March 2019 for is 9,500, right? The written down value given in the machinery 1,500 on 1/4/2018. The next one, land situated in Bidar purchased in January 2006 for rupees 70,200 was sold in March 2019 for 2,18,000, right? It is related to land, right? Next, furniture purchased in the year 2006 for 2 lakh was sold in January 2018 was 1,21,000. As on 1/4/2018, the return value for the sale of was rupees 81,000. This was only asset in that block of asset. Last one, the residential house in Gulbarga purchased on April 2005 for is 1,17,000 was sold in December 2018 3,30,000. And additional information given: cost of inflation given in this question 2001 to 200, 2005 to 6 117, 2018 19 280. We are concluding the taxable capital gain of this Mr. Vasuki, the assessee, right? First, it is the question, so we can start the solution. I already make this format of income from capital gain, computation of income from capital gain of Mr. Vasuki, right? Previous year assessment year. Next, particular is first in this question given what? Machinery, the relating information should be given. Sale prices of machinery how much? 9,500. 9,500 less return down value given in the question how much? 1,500, right? We can less 9,500 minus 1,500 how much? 8,000. It is our short term capital gain of machinery. We can conclude one portion. Next, sale proceeds of furniture. Furniture amount given, sale proceeds 1,21,000. Return down value how much? Given 81,000. So 1,21,000 minus 81,000, remaining 40,000, right? This is our short term capital gain of furniture, right? So we cannot make the cost of inflation of index for machinery and furniture. Only we can deduct the return down value of the machinery and furniture. Next, sale proceeds of land given in question, the amount of is 2,18,000. So we can find indexed cost of acquisition, right? So we can purchase 70,200 into 2018-19 inflation how much given? 280. And which year? 6. 2005-6 inflation how much? 117. So 70,200 into 280 divided by 17. 117 hours 1,68,000. So 2,80,000 minus 1,68,000 how much? Remaining amount 50,000. It is our long term capital gain of land. So the problem cannot given the return down value of the land, right? We can only make cost of inflation. So next one, sale proceeds of house property given 3,30,000. Right, so we can make less. There is no given in the question transfer expenses, additional increment of expenses and written down value not given in the question, we can directly make the index cost of acquisition. So we can purchase 1,17,000 of house property into 280 inflation induction of 2018-19. In the year, which year we can purchase the house property? 2006. So 1,17,000 into 280 divided by 117, 2,80,000. So 3,30,000 minus 2,80,000, how much? 50,000. So it is long-term capital of house property. So we can complete the 4 portion, right? So we can term capital gain and total long-term capital gain. So machinery we can find how much in question? Machinery 8,000. 8,000. Furniture 40,000. 40 plus 8,000. 8,000 plus 40. 48,000. Next, land, long-term capital gain, land 50,000 and house property 50,000. 50, 1 lakh. So 48,000 plus 1 lakh. 1 lakh 48,000. 1 lakh 48. It is our taxable long-term capital gain or gross total income. It is our solution, right? This is our answer for this question, right? So I can hope understand this question. How can we can make? So this is our last video on income from capital gain, right? So if you have any doubt, please comment on comment box relating to the income from capital gain, right? So we can make the answer. So support our channel and make like and share the most video of your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, friends.